Hi friends, happy Wednesday. So friends, today I'm super excited to do our science activity. Do you know what we're gonna make? We're going to make slime, but we're not gonna make your average slime. We never do. We're going to make fruit-scented slime, and we're going to use one of your favorite snacks. We're gonna use Jell-O. Are you ready? Let's get started. As for materials, you need a half a cup of baking soda, a half a cup of clear washable glue, Elmer's, a half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of gelatin powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of saline solution. So the first thing we're gonna do is take your half a cup of clear glue, pour it into the bowl. Then you're going to add a half a cup of water. And then you're going to add a tablespoon of your Jell-O. I'm gonna use lemon. And then a teaspoon of your baking soda. Pour it in, stir to stir. Next, you're gonna add 1 to 2 tablespoons of solution. And here is my second. Stir to stir. If you feel like it's not thickening up quick enough, you can actually add an additional tablespoon of solution. Going to mix. Ooh, it's starting to thicken up, friends. And there goes your slime. Now it's up to you. You can add confetti to it to make it more festive, or you can leave it as is. But I want you to smell it. It smells amazing. Let's see, we're gonna keep stirring until it gets thicker. Are you ready to see the slime, friends? Here it goes. I'm gonna add a little bit of solution to my fingertips. Then I'm gonna grab the slime. Oh my goodness, it's so cool. Wow, that's so cool. Now here is your Jell-O, your lemon Jell-O scented slime. Oh, it's so gooey. That's pretty cool. Enjoy, friends.